introduction, I would just tell you a little bit about how I know Denise. And I know her because I'm a customer of hers. And so many of her materials have just really brought a lot of interaction, a lot of response from kids. They love to do the web quests when it comes to, you know, researching about the Shamrock Shake. And, you know, there's just lots of that, so they really enjoy it. We make it a big art project. I knew you were an art teacher. So we cover the walls outside of my classroom with a lot of the different projects and activities, and they take a lot of pride in that. Denise, here's a little fun fact that I learned about her, and that is she works with Fair Queens, and I believe you worked on yourself, right?
A few years ago.
Yes, but guess what? So was I.
Oh, I love it!
Lobbying Princess.
Oh, yeah.
1983. So anyway, welcome and thank you. Thank you.
Jared is a hard